Fixing the automatically generated chat titles inside your Gemini workspace takes less than a minute. When you first send a prompt, the system defaults to naming the thread after your entire first sentence, which quickly clutters your sidebar. To clear this up, open up your Gemini dashboard on your desktop or phone. Look over to the left-hand side where it says Recent to see your ongoing conversations. Scroll down to where it says the specific chat name you want to modify, and click directly on it to open that conversation window. The important thing is finding the hidden action menu. Move your mouse up to the top right-hand corner of that active chat window, or right next to the title in the sidebar, and look for the three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to pull open your options. On the drop-down menu that comes up, you will see an option to rename. Give that a click, and a text field will open right over the old title. Delete the original text and type in a clean, short reference title. Once you finish typing, click the Rename button to lock it in. Now, that goes both ways when managing your workspace. While your sidebar looks much cleaner, the trade-off is that you completely disable the AI's ability to auto-update that specific thread title based on new topics you bring up later. If you pivot the conversation to a new subject, Gemini will not update it for you automatically anymore, so you lose that dynamic categorization. If you ever need to adjust it again, or even clean up your dashboard further, you can always back out of this specific menu, tap the same three dots, and choose to pin or delete the thread entirely. Your updated title is now permanently saved to your profile view.